Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll show you why is QuillBot login failed 2026. There can be several common reasons. Incorrect credentials. Wrong email or password is the most common cause of login failure. Password issues. Forgotten, expired, or recently changed passwords may prevent access. Account not verified. If your email is not verified, login may be restricted. Server or temporary issues. QuillBot servers may be down or experiencing high traffic. Internet connection problems. Weak or unstable connection can block successful login. Browser or app issues. Outdated browser, app, or corrupted cache may interfere with login. Security restrictions. Multiple failed attempts or suspicious activity can temporarily lock the account. Third-party login issues. If using Google or other sign-in methods, authorization problems can cause failure. If the issue persists, reset your password, clear cache, or contact QuillBot support. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.